that fight is won, but it sure burns fast. Gonna stay